We have come to a crucial juncture in our collective effort to address the global challenge of climate change. You have all made a tremendous effort to bring us to this point of compromise and consensus. Distinguished delegates, the draft decisions before us are a gateway to scaled-up implementation and will enable us to transform towards a future of climate neutrality and climate-resilient development. I call upon all of you to view these draft decisions not merely as words on paper, but as our collective message to the world that we have heeded the call of our leaders and of the current and future generations to set the right pace and direction for the implementation of the Paris Agreement and the achievement of its goals. With this in mind, dear friends, I implore you to adopt the draft decisions that I will present to you. The world is watching. I call on us all to rise to the expectations entrusted to us by the global community, and especially by those who are most vulnerable and yet have contributed the least to climate change. I now invite the COP to adopt the decision entitled Funding Arrangements for Responding to Loss and Damage associated with the adverse effects of climate change, including focus on addressing loss and damage, contained in document FCCC/CP/2022/L18, FCCC/PA/CMA/2022/L20. I hear no objections. It's so decided. I invite the CMA to adopt the draft decision entitled Matters Related to the Work Program for Urgently Scaling Up Mitigation Ambition and Implementation, referred to in paragraph 27 of Decision 1/CMA3, as contained in document FCCC/CMA/2022/L17.